Hi, this is Dr. Manjunath, IVF specialist and laparoscopic surgeon. Today I am going to tell you about what kind of food you need to eat when you are having the condition called as PCOS. So as you know that PCOS, most of the PCOS patients are obese and trying to achieve pregnancy. So during those time, you need to follow certain kind of food and you need to avoid certain kind of food. So in this video I am going to tell you about some food which are going to improve your fertility in case of PCOS. So in general, the diet modification what you need to do should be done along with other lifestyle modifications like regular exercises, quitting smoking. Those kind of should be combined with diet modifications. So first of all, you need to avoid all refined products, refined foods like white flour, sugary drinks, sugary ice cream, chocolates, all those kind of things totally you should avoid. And add high fiber diet, especially you should start eating raw salads, especially vegetables like cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower and sprouts. All this contains more vitamins and some kind of polyamines which will improve your insulin sensitivity and reduce the androgen hormones in your body. So basically you know that the PCOS has more androgen and increased insulin resistance. So this will be reduced by taking this kind of food. So then again you need to add green vegetables like red leaf lettuce, arugulas, beans, lentils, berries like blueberry and strawberries. And in case of dry fruits, you need to take more of almonds, pumpkin seeds and walnuts. So all these walnuts and pumpkin, especially the walnuts and the pumpkins, will reduce the inflammation in your body. So if there is reduction in the inflammation, naturally the insulin sensitivity will increase and it leads to good metabolic reactions, and which ultimately results in good ovulation and a good egg quality. So these are all the chain reactions, like when you start doing this kind of diet modification, ultimately your fertility is going to increase. What are the other things you need to do is food that reduces the inflammation, which I was telling, like tomato, you need to have more spinach, kale, walnuts, olive oil, blueberries, and if you are eating fish, add more of fish, especially salmon fish. These are the foods you need to add to your diet to increase the fertility. So there are certain foods you need to avoid. So these kind of foods will increase the insulin resistance, so you need to avoid this kind, especially as I was telling, refined carbohydrates like bread, muffin, sugary snacks, sugary drinks, white flour, those kind of thing. And also the processed food and also the red meat you need to avoid. So these are the foods you need to avoid. So apart from this, as I was telling, we need to follow a regular exercise and quit smoking and practice some kind of stress reducing methods, meditation, body mind relaxation technique, and if possible even you can have an acupuncture therapy to reduce your stress. So diet, other exercises and stress reducing methods will improve your entire hormone system, which ultimately leads to increased fertility. So this is what you need to follow if you are PCOS, and keep watching my videos for more information. Thanks for joining me.